If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Well, welcome back, my friends. Well, we made it to the new year, 2022. And I'm doing a mail call right now. Today is Sunday. So, hope everybody had a good New Year's. I know we did. We just stayed home and did nothing. We ate. That's always a good thing, is it not? Yes. So, my good friends, we just had a lot of fun with Paul Bennett from Carrots Custom Pens. He was on Zoom. That's always a lot of fun to see people come on there and have a good time, interact with the guests, and the guest has a chance to go over the products, explain them to you very thoroughly, and give you some heads up on what they're like. So that's always fun to have someone on Zoom. If you haven't ever tried my Zoom, come out, check it out sometime. Zoom Pen Hangout. Yep. The codes to get in are all over the place. Where they at, Mr. Right underneath.
Yes, they are in the description box.
So, because you need that code to get in. And we have room monitors watching the rooms for trolls. So now, this video right here is sponsoring this video because she sent the stuff to sponsor it. So, and my good lady from Pen Boutique, Miss Lena from Pen Boutique. And here we go. So, just reading everything. Okay, here we go. There was a few things I needed, and she sent them to me. I must have this right. Can you see? No, you can't. I'll just do this like that. Alright, let's get this one open here. This is a Lamy nib that I needed. I believe it's a 1.5. Yep, 1.5. Okay. The reason I was looking for a double broad Lamy nib, and through my investigation, they're saying they don't make a double broad Lamy nib. The closest to that would be a 1.5, and that even came from Lamy. So that's where I'm going. And Mr. Announcer can do the honors to say the ink. This is a very special pink ink.
Okay, Faber-Castell, made in Germany, and it is called well, it appears to be just labeled pink. Okay, yeah, just pink.
I think it's also says down here erasable as well. That's new. Did you catch that? Erasable down there?
Erasable, yes. What would you use to erase it with, I wonder?
Well, I'll have to find out when I do the review, and hopefully I'll find something out. But anytime you see me doing pink, I am going to be supporting and talking about breast cancer awareness. And not just on females, but males as well. In fact, I had a buddy a few years ago that went through that experience. And myself, I never knew that. So it's a very big problem in the U.S. How many did you look up, Mr. Announcer?
Oh, I really don't remember the statistics.
I'll have to go back to my notes, but there's a lot. Quite a bit. So, the women go through so much turmoil with this stuff, with breast cancer, and it's a hard thing to deal with, especially cancer alone. Cancer's enough, isn't it? So, I'm going to do what I can to help support the breast cancer movement. So, our next thing, Mr. Announcer can announce this.
This is, I need Dr. J on this one. Caran d'Ache.
Corn dash.
Caran d'Ache?
Corn dash, yeah. That's a corn dash, and I think that's going to be also a pink one with a medium nib. Ta-da! And then we got something here. I have no idea what this is. This is a box. Ah, here is a Parker. I don't know what yet. A Parker. And this is a beautiful pink pen. Ballpoint pen. I am a survivor. Exclusive from Pen Boutique. Now, I will be giving one of these away. If you are a survivor, or if you are dealing with breast cancer, you can email me at, where's your announcer?
LarryB0711 @gmail.com.
And if you're one of the lucky winners, you will get this pen. That's a really nice ballpoint pen that Lena and her staff has come up with to support breast cancer. And I think this could be another, let me see. That's another one, too. Well, there's two people that could win. And I think the other two are the same. They're all Parker pens. All Parker ballpoint pens. So what I'm thinking that Lena must have gotten with the Parker and had them make these pens, especially for Pen Boutique, especially for the breast cancer awareness. And that's just one of the very few things that Lena does for the community, for the people of the U.S., for the people of the world. She does all kind of things. Lena does. You need to read about her a little bit on Pen Boutique. I'm sure you can find it out on YouTube. But Lena, she's an extraordinary lady. She's a great lady. Just super lady. I can't say enough about her. Her heart is so big. She cares about all people. And that's God's truth. So we have 4, looks like, that we're going to be able to give away. So thank you, Lena. Now, so when are we going to have the drawing? Well, if anybody joins me live this coming Tuesday, we're going to have our Zoom meet.
Yeah, it's the regular Zoom Pen Hangout.
Which is at 6:30 p.m. Central Time. If you're on there live and you're going to have to be on your honor there, and you're a survivor of cancer, or you're dealing with breast cancer, or I'm just saying even cancer, you may win one of those right there on the spot. Okay. Later, through the years, I will be doing different things in honor of Breast Cancer Awareness Week. I'm going to be using, of course, Pen Boutique a lot, and I'll use some of Federalist Pens and Paper. I'll use different people, but mostly Pen Boutique. This is her little baby. She's done a lot of work on it, and she really cares about it. And if you can believe anything I say, because people can say anything on here and try to win hearts, sympathy. Believe this, Lena is one kind of a lady. They only make one Lena, and she cares about all people, all genders. It doesn't matter. She looks at the goodness of your heart. She doesn't look at the outside of the shell of the skin. So, and if you want, you can always email her at Pen Boutique and just say, "Hi, Lena, I'm so-and-so." But she's just a lady of the ladies. And Lena, thank you for everything you have done. I appreciate it. Helps the homeless. Her and her family goes out to kitchen places and helps feed the homeless. And so much more. The family gets involved. Her kids, her husband, everybody works together because they all care. That's what mom and dad, family values have taught their children. And they love America. And I love them. So that's going to do it. Until later, thank you, Lena. Peace, love to all. Be kind to a stranger, my friends. You never know who it may be. And as always, don't text. And for goodness sake, don't text and drive. Bye-bye.